Top 5 Best 5.5 QT Digital Air Fryer. Best Smarter Picks for Smarter Kitchens. Number 5. Ninja AF141 Air Fryer, 5 QT, 4-in-1, 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Crispy, golden fries, without a single drop of oil. That's the magic of the Ninja Air Fryer AF141. Perfect for health-conscious families, busy professionals, and flavor lovers alike, this 5-quart powerhouse delivers restaurant-quality results at home. With its 4-in-1 versatility, air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate, it outperforms single-function fryers by doing more in less space. Reaching 400 degrees Fahrenheit and packing 1750 watts, it cooks faster and crispier than conventional ovens. The non-stick basket and crisper plate ensure easy cleanup and even browning, while the generous capacity handles up to 4 pounds of fries, ideal for meal prep or family dinners. From juicy chicken wings to homemade kale chips, every bite satisfies. Sure, larger batches may require a second round, but that's a small trade-off for such precision and performance. Elevate your kitchen game. Guilt-free indulgence has never tasted this good. Number 4. Chefman TurboFry 6 QT Air Fryer, 5-in-1 Crisp and Bake. Crispy, golden fries with 90% less oil, without sacrificing flavor. That's the Chefman Air Fryer 6 QT TurboFry 5-in-1 delivering real results. Perfect for busy families, health-conscious cooks, or anyone craving restaurant-quality meals at home. Unlike smaller, single-function models, this powerhouse bakes, dehydrates, reheats frozen favorites, and more, all in one sleek stainless steel design. The secret? A blazing 450 degrees Fahrenheit high-fry option that locks in moisture while crisping exteriors to perfection. Its XL nonstick basket fits a whole chicken or 2 pounds of wings, and cleanup's a breeze since it's dishwasher safe. No more soggy reheats or greasy pans, just consistent, delicious outcomes. While it doesn't include a rotisserie function like some high-end rivals, its versatility and speed more than compensate. Whether you're meal prepping or whipping up last-minute snacks, the TurboFry turns everyday cooking into something extraordinary, fast, easy, and satisfying. Number 3. Chefman 12-quart 5-in-1 Digital Air Fryer Oven. Crispy, golden fries with 90% less oil. That's not magic, that's the Chefman 12-quart 5-in-1 Air Fryer Oven. Perfect for busy families, meal preppers, or anyone craving restaurant-quality results at home, this powerhouse delivers. Unlike clunky single-function fryers, it air fries, roasts, bakes, dehydrates, and reheats, all with a sleek touchscreen and 12 smart presets for foolproof cooking. The spacious 12-quart capacity fits a whole chicken or 2 full pizzas, while dishwasher-safe parts mean cleanup's a breeze. No more guessing cook times. The digital timer and even heat convection ensure perfection every time. It's not just healthier, it's faster, smarter, and built for real life. While it does take up counter space, its versatility more than justifies the footprint. Whether you're whipping up crispy wings or reheating last night's lasagna, this oven transforms how you cook, without the guilt, without the grease. Number 2. Ninja AF161 Max XL Air Fryer, 5.5 quart, high gloss gray. Crispy fries, golden roasted chicken, even homemade jerky, all without drowning in oil. Meet the Ninja AF161 Max XL Air Fryer, your kitchen's multitasking powerhouse. Perfect for busy families, meal preppers, or anyone craving restaurant-quality results at home. With a spacious 5.5 quart capacity, it handles large batches effortlessly. No more cooking in rounds. The high-gloss gray finish isn't just sleek, it resists fingerprints and wipes clean in seconds. Unlike smaller fryers that overcrowd food, this one circulates superheated air evenly for consistent crispiness every time. Roast, bake, reheat, dehydrate. This appliance does it all, replacing multiple gadgets and saving counter space. Feel the satisfaction of guilt-free indulgence and the ease of one-touch presets. It's not magic, but close. Just note, while it excels at most tasks, delicate pastries may need extra attention. Still, for speed, versatility, and flavor, the Ninja AF161 delivers unmatched performance, making every meal feel like a win. Number 1. Ninja AF150 XL 5-in-1 Air Fryer, 5.5 QT. Crispy wings in 18 minutes, no oil, no mess. That's the Ninja XL air fryer rewriting kitchen rules. Perfect for busy parents, meal preppers, or anyone craving restaurant quality crunch at home. With a spacious 5.5 quart capacity, it fits up to 3 pounds of wings, double many compact models, so you're feeding the crew, not just yourself. 5 smart functions: air fry, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate, let you swap from golden fries to dried apple chips without switching appliances. The 400 degrees Fahrenheit max temp and 1750 watts deliver lightning fast, even cooking, while dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup effortless. Plus, the included recipe guide sparks creativity beyond basics. Sure, it's larger than mini fryers, so counter space matters, but that's the trade for serious versatility. This isn't just an air fryer, it's your shortcut to flavorful, guilt-free meals that satisfy cravings and impress guests, all with minimal effort and maximum crunch. Thanks for watching Best 5.5 QT Digital Air Fryer. See the description for links, details, and the best prices.